Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to allow location access on your Facebook app. Whether you're trying to tag places in your posts or want more accurate suggestions for nearby friends and events, giving Facebook permission to access your location can make your experience smoother and more personalized. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your device's settings. This is where you manage every app's access to different features like your camera, storage, and location settings. Next, scroll down until you find Apps, or sometimes it's called App Management depending on your phone's model. Tap that option to see a list of all the apps currently installed on your device. Now look for Facebook in that list. Once you see it, tap on the Facebook icon to open the app's detailed settings. This section controls what Facebook can or can't access on your phone. After that, tap on Permissions. Here, you'll see all the permissions available to Facebook, things like camera, microphone, contacts, and location. This is where you can decide what level of access each feature gets. Now tap on Location. You'll usually have a few different options here. To make sure Facebook only uses your location when you're actively in the app, choose Allow Only while using the app. This setting helps keep your privacy in check while still letting Facebook access your location for features like check-ins, local content, or marketplace listings near you. Once that's done, you can simply go back. Your new location settings are now saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully allowed Facebook to access your location only when you're using the app. Remember, you can come back to these settings anytime if you want to turn location access off or adjust it further. Keeping control over your app permissions helps protect your privacy and optimize your experience. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more quick and simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.